Welcome to Kazakhstan, a land of endless horizons, where the earth stretches wide beneath an infinite sky, and mountains rise like ancient guardians of time. This is a country of vast beauty and deep silence, where golden steppes roll like an ocean of grass, and snow peaks shimmer far in the distance. Here, the wind carries the songs of nomads, and the spirit of freedom breathes through every valley and plain. Across its boundless steppe, life moves at the rhythm of nature. Wild horses gallop beneath the wide blue sky, their hooves echoing like thunder across the land. For centuries, this was the path of travelers, traders, and dreamers. Where caravans of the Silk Road once crossed endless plains, every breeze seems to whisper their stories of courage, of distance, of home. To the south, the mighty Tian Shan mountains stand tall and silent. Their peaks are crowned with snow, their rivers run clear through pine forests and misty valleys. Here lies Lake Kaindy, its sunken forest sleeping beneath crystal waters. A mirror where the mountains gaze upon themselves. Each reflection feels like a poem written in stillness, a reminder of nature's quiet perfection. Farther east, the Altai Mountains glow beneath the morning light. Golden forests, icy rivers, and high cliffs shape this ancient land. Eagles circle the skies, and the air smells of pine and stone. Here, silence is sacred, and every sunrise feels like the first day of the world. It is a place untouched by noise, where the earth still remembers its beginning. In the west, the land transforms into red canyons and dry valleys. The Charyn Canyon cuts deep through the steppe, its walls shaped by wind and time. Shadows dance across the cliffs at dusk, and the canyon glows like fire beneath the fading sun. It is a sculpture of the earth itself, a masterpiece carved by centuries of silence. To the north, the landscape softens once again. Forests stretch toward the horizon, and lakes rest like mirrors of the sky. Burabay National Park, with its green hills and calm blue waters, feels like a painting that breathes. Here, The air smells of pine and freedom, and peace settles on the heart like morning light. At the center of this vast land stands Astana, the shining capital of modern Kazakhstan. Glass towers reach toward the heavens, while golden domes shimmer under the open sky. It is a city of vision and balance, where the past and the future walk hand in hand. Here, tradition stands beside progress, and the dreams of a young nation rise with the sun. But Kazakhstan is more than its landscapes or cities. It is its people, strong, warm, and proud. Descendants of nomads, they carry the kindness of the steppe in their hearts. Their hospitality is as vast as the land itself. A smile offered to every traveler, a cup of tea shared beneath the open sky. And when night falls, the stars return to crown the heavens. The Milky Way stretches across the sky like a river of light, and the earth hums softly beneath your feet. In that silence, you feel something eternal, a connection to the world, to time, and to the soul of the land. What makes Kazakhstan truly special is not what it shows, but what it makes you feel. It is a place where silence speaks, where freedom breathes, and where every horizon tells the story of the earth itself.